Signing up for Payoneer. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to create your Payoneer account. So, what is Payoneer? Folks, Payoneer is an international payment platform for businesses, freelancers, and self-employed pros working globally. Payoneer makes sending and receiving money between countries quick, safe, and cost-effective. If you're an affiliate selling internationally, one of the best ways to get paid is through a Payoneer digital account. I'll leave a link to sign up for Payoneer in this video's description. You can also click up here in the Google search bar and type Payoneer. Then click on the first link that appears, payoneer.com. Click Open Your Account below or Register at the top, either works. Here, it'll ask what type of account is right for you. You'll choose your business type. If you're an affiliate seller, freelancer, or a business, you'll choose the option that best fits you here. I'm going to click on Affiliate Seller. Now it'll give two options. If you want full access to all Payoneer features, you can receive and send global payments. There's also an option for those not receiving payments. I want overseas payments, so I'll pick this option. I want to receive global payments. It'll ask about your monthly international sales volume. Let's say I make up to $500 max. I'll click this option and then register below. Here you'll enter your information. Individual CPF or company CNPJ if you're a business. Choose the best option for you. Fill everything out and click Next at the bottom. Here, enter your address and mobile number. Enter your number correctly, including the area code. Don't forget it. After entering your number, click Send Code here. You'll receive a code on your cell phone. Enter that code correctly and click Next below. Your email will appear here, and now create your password. Create a password in this field and re-enter it to confirm. Choose a security question and answer in case you forget your password. Here you need to submit your document details. I'll choose the document type, enter CPF, and click Next below. Now you need to add a bank account. Add a personal or business account, select country and currency. The account holder's name, account number, branch code, your CPF and account type, whether it's a savings account or a checking account. You need to agree to Payoneer's terms, conditions, privacy policy, prices, and fees. If you agree, just check these boxes. You can also receive marketing communications from Payoneer here. You can enable this option if you want. After filling everything out, click Send at the bottom. And that's it, folks. Payoneer account registration completed successfully. Your registration will be reviewed. Just wait for a confirmation email soon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.